reassembled. Ready for your job. MagDaddy. How cool is that? Another innovative product from MagDaddy would be our bracket. This bracket can be attached to any painter's pole or conduit that you may have out in your job site. It's made specifically to adapt to our J-hook or bridle rings. All you do is, this is precision fit. It's precision to the cylinder of the J-hook or bridle ring so that it's not going to fall off as you're attaching. Bring your wires through, you adapt it, you stick it up to any metal, you bring it down, out, and away you go. MagDaddy. How cool is that? MagDaddy, your solution for those hard-to-reach remodel wiring management systems. We have either a J-hook or a bridle ring with our adapter. All you do is you put your adapter in place. You go up the ladder one time every 15 to 20 feet. You take your pole with your wiring already attached, snap it in place. MagDaddy, how cool is that? MagDaddy, for those hard to reach areas in upper plenums or above the ceiling line. All you do is you take it onto a J-hook or onto a pole. We're using a painted pole. MagDaddy, why do this when you can just do that? MagDaddy, how cool is that? MagDaddy also offers a wide variety of decorative magnetic fasteners. We have our cable daddies, which are 16 or 26 pound strength, 360 degrees of rotation, ½ inch, 3/4, or a full inch for many wires. We have the cables, the Velcro, and the zip. These are going to be used in areas to where you have a decorative need, maybe exposed wires or in a shop area. Another thing we're very proud of would be our mini magnet. The mini magnet is the replacement for those not so fun sticky backs. How many times have you gone to your job site after a couple months and found that the sticky backs just really aren't sticking? MagDaddy, how cool is that?